Hi there! Welcome back to another VIVE education video. In this video, we'll show you how to install the VIVE Focus 3 facial tracker and eye tracker. These trackers help synchronize your eye movements and facial expressions with your avatar in virtual meetings and events, making the VR experience more immersive. We'll use VIVE Sync as an example to demonstrate these two trackers. Let's get started.
In the box, you'll find the eye tracker, a USB Type-C cable, and the gasket spacer. To install the eye tracker, first remove the face cushion from your headset. Turn the IPD dial all the way to the left to minimize the distance between the lenses. Squeeze the eye frames toward the center of the eye tracker, then attach the eye tracker to the headset. If you're wearing glasses, attach the gasket spacer to the face cushion. This will increase the distance between your eyes and the headset and make eye tracking more accurate. Reattach the face cushion to the headset. Connect the eye tracker to the USB port on the right side of the headset using the USB Type-C cable. Now install the VIVE Focus 3 facial tracker. Just connect it to the USB port on the bottom of the headset. After installing both the eye and facial trackers, put on the headset and turn it on. From the lobby, go to Settings, Inputs, Eye Tracker, and select Calibrate. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the eye tracker. Now you're all set. Let's try using the eye and facial trackers in VIVE Sync. Launch VIVE Sync, then go to Settings and turn on eye and facial tracking. Now, to demonstrate, let's try some eye movements. Hi Jennifer. Can you try moving your eyes from left to right? How about winking? Great. With the VIVE Focus 3 eye tracker and facial tracker, experience true-to-life human interactions in VR. For developers, the VIVE Wave SDK and the OpenXR API are available. Check out the product pages on the VIVE Business website for details about the add-on features you can integrate with your applications.
Hi again. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about VIVE Focus 3 eye tracker and facial tracker, or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.